right? Today in our maths, we have done perimeter, we have done area, but still, I'm still not happy by the way you are doing your work. I showed you even last time that if you are given some work to do, some sums to work, show working clearly. Show working clearly. I even gave you examples. Here are the examples. Multiply 19 times 14 in this manner. Put down zeros as a whole placeholder. Don't write a sentence. I want to see how you got this 266. This method should be put in all the sums. Don't just, especially these long ones. Show working. That's why some of you will find that I didn't mark, I'll just tell you show working, because I want this working to be shown. If you just write, this one is 19 times 14, then equals 266. I'm not sure whether you copied this somewhere. This one, I'm not sure how you got it. 19 times, that is the way. No, this is the way. Don't be lazy, show working. All right, again, we are going to lines. What are we talking about when we are talking about lines? We are saying lines can be horizontal. Those are lines. These are the shapes of lines. Lines can be horizontal. Lines can be vertical. Okay? They could be vertical. Lines could be sloping. Those are the nature and status of lines. They could be sloping. Right. Lines could be curved. They could be curved. Lines could be zigzag. Right. Lines could also be parallel. We remember the parallelogram. Parallel. Those are the kinds of lines. They could be horizontal, they could be vertical, they could be sloping, they could be curved, they could be zigzag, they could be parallel. Right, in order for us to see whether the lines are any of these, I'm going to show you brave. I'm going to show you what we mean by all these. I'm going to show you what is a vertical line, a horizontal, a curved. But for us to know whether the line is horizontal, whether it's vertical, sloping, there is a special instrument which is used to show whether the line is vertical, whether the line is horizontal, whether it is sloping, whether it is zigzag, whether it is curved. This special instrument is called a spirit level. Special instrument. It is called a spirit level. Right, let us quickly go back to our lines. What do we mean by a vertical line? Right, this is I'm going to draw these lines for you. The vertical line Right, what do we mean by, let's start with the horizontal. Can we all see this line drawn in blue? We can see this line drawn in blue. It is straight, going from side to side. It is a horizontal line. A horizontal line is a straight line starting from a side to side. All the sides, the lines going like this are horizontal, right? Vertical. This is in red. Let me draw it in red. This one is a vertical line. Straight again, but going from top to bottom. Can you see the difference? The horizontal, side to side, vertical, top to bottom. Right. Let us look at the sloping one. This is the sloping line. Look at the sloping one. It's sloping. It's not straight, but it is straight in its way, but starting from that corner. Can you see? The sloping one slopes like that. We learned about the slopes where in agriculture. Okay, right? Let us look at the curved one. The curved one. It is a line. Look at the curved one. This one is a curved, a line. Horizontal, vertical, sloping, curved. Now let us come to a zigzag. This reminds us when we're in ECD A and B, where we started with zigzag. Can we see? That is a line, which is like Z, 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 Z joined. This one is a zigzag line. Right, we come to our last line, which is parallel. Those go in twos. They are straight lines and they are unique in a way where you have to put these two arrows. They are parallel. They go in twos, the top one with this other one which is underneath. So we can see the lines. All right. The parallel ones, this one cannot be one. They go in twos. They are parallel in this manner. Then, for us to see whether the line part, the spirit level usually tells us about the straight lines. It measures the vertical or a horizontal line. It is the one that is used by most builders to see if their bricks are straight, are they in a straight line? Are they in a vertical straight line or horizontal straight line? So we use what we call a spirit level. Let us look at the spirit level itself. It is an instrument which is used to see whether a line or something is vertical or horizontal. A spirit level has a glass tube with a liquid inside. This glass tube at the top, say at the top side, has a liquid inside. The liquid is filled, leaving a small air space. The small air space will create a bubble when tense inside. The glass tube is marked into 3 segments. It is when the air bubble moves to the middle segment for something to be described as vertical or horizontal. So when they are using this spirit level, it is an instrument which is like this. Here at the center here, there is a glass tube. It is the one which determines, they look at the glass tube. It is filled with the water, but there is some space which is left inside there where there is water. In this glass tube, the water makes a bubble. Then when it moves, the water moves to the center. That is when the builder will know that now the whatever is measuring is horizontal. Then if he wants a line which is horizontal, but he tickles it like this bubble is going to go down. It should always be at the center for him to see the lines. All right. Nicholas is also gone. I want you now to tell me just quickly before our time cuts us. I've got line A, B. Tell me, is it vertical here? Is it vertical, horizontal? This one, or let me draw it for you. It's not showing. Name the line A, B quickly. Write and tell me. This one. Quickly before it shuts us. It's going to shut if our time goes, right? Tell me, what name do we give to that line? Write and show me like this. Write quickly and show me. Write and show me, please. Let me see. What line is that one? From the lines which you have been. Let me see. Show me what you have. Very good. Very good, Poitumelo. Next, let me see. Let me see. Yes, very good, Uriel. Let me see. Brave. Is shiny brave? I can't see where you wrote. Shiny brave. I don't even see a word where you wrote right, distinct. Let me see. Tawana, brave. Can you write, please? Right. Big words. I've seen for Uriel is clear, Poitumelo is clear. Very good, Nicholas. Very good. Tawana, I haven't seen yours. Andile, very good. Andile, very good. Tawana, let me see yours. Tawana, let me see. Yes, I can see yours. Tawana, let me see. Brave. May I see yours? Tawana, very good. I've seen. Brave, let me see. Push the paper to your screen. Yes. Tinotenda, can you shout? The line.
Huh? Vertical.
Yes, very good, Tino. That is what I want. Very good. It is vertical. Right? Now, this one, CD. CD, can we name it quickly? CD. What kind of line is that? Is CD? Quickly, CD. Right, I want to see. Quickly, right, CD. Again, I want this. Very good. Good, Poitumelo. I've seen yours. Good. Good. Big letters. Brave, right? Big, clear. Yes, Tawana. Yes. Uriel, very good. Angela, I can't see what you have written. Angela, I can't see. You are showing me the first one. Brave, very good. Very good. Nicholas, I haven't seen. I haven't seen. Nicholas. Andile, I am seeing the shape, dear. Show me the word. Show me. No, I can't see. Let me see. Very good, Nicholas. Andile, the word, please. I'm seeing vertical. I'm still seeing vertical. Andile, push up your paper. Put it up. Andile, put it up. Tinotenda, can you please shout?
Cave.
What is it?
Cave.
Yes, it is a curved. Let me see, Andile, yes. Push it. Yes, yes, Andile, I can see now. Yes, very good. Andile is clear now. Very good. All right. Now we are running out of time. I hope now we are done. I'm going to send you work. Most of the work has been sent in. Very good. I have marked most of your work. And as I have indicated, next week, Monday, we are starting to write our test, starting with agriculture, the same format. Please go back to what we have been doing, watch videos, the exercises, revise. Where you don't understand, please don't write in the group, write there where your work is, in your inbox, and ask. I am going to attend to you. And most of you, Poitumelo, please, may you improve your handwriting, please, Poitumelo. And please, when you are writing, writings which are not maths, don't use a maths exercise book because your work will be crowded. Can you just use an exercise with lines and write clearly? Don't write small letters. I'm not able to read. And Andile, your writing is very small and very crowded. Please try to improve your written work. Even you, Uriel, your work is crowded. You cancel a lot. And I cannot see. If I cannot see, I cannot mark. So please make sure you write distinct work. Like some of you, Nicholas, your work is very clear. I don't even have a problem. I just open your page, I mark. And I don't know with some of you, how do you photo shoot your work? Because it starts straight, and then when I put my pen, it goes, and the others are upside down. Please make sure when you photo shoot your work, sending it should be always straight. Try to write big. This is not in a classroom where you will give me your exercise book. When you give me your exercise book is just with me. I can mark easily. With the classroom, I have to find that pen. When I find it, it restructures the size of your work. I cannot bring it to me because the pen will start writing. So please try to write big, clear numbers. If it's numbers, clear letters. If you are to write a letter in a exercise book where there are lines, maths big, just try to fill those boxes with big letters. Where you need to work out sums, I want the working. If the working is not there, I will just put a question mark and tell you, rewrite your work and show working. Are we together? Are we together? Yes.
Yes,
now,
ma'am.
right. Enough for today. Our time is gone. It will end up like we just left us. So let us leave it before it leaves us. Anyone with a question with today's work you understood? Anyone who didn't understand? Any? Yes, you didn't understand. Unmute and tell us this you didn't understand. Any who didn't understand? Is there any? You understood? All right, it's a bye for now. I'm having grade 3s. We meet tomorrow. Ask for data today. It is a bye. Bye-bye, Tino. Bye, Tino Tender.
Bye, teacher.
Yes, tomorrow ask for those, please, who haven't paid. Ask politely for your parents to pay for your fees. We are writing next week. I want all of you to write. We have been in a race that we ran. So please, I want everyone to write before you are taken outside the classroom. Please ask. Okay. Bye-bye.